TrapMan Folding Rabbit Trap. When you receive it, take the wire tie off the cage that secures it. Retain that. Putting it up, nice and easy. Pull the door into the back of the cage so it clicks in. Flick the rake up onto the back of the door. Push the setting lever attached to the tread plate through the top of the cage over to that side where it wants to sit on top of the marked bar. That's the trap set. Bait it up. 3 bits of bait, bit of cooked carrot, 3 underneath the cage, 1 directly underneath the tread plate that it's got to stand on. Rabbit comes in, stands on the tread plate, caught. Folding it up exactly the reverse of what you've just done. Take the setting lever out, bring the tread plate forward, put your tie back on, put it back in the shed.